Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. I'm continuing with the Power Automate series, and in this video we'll start making flow. So in the first flow we'll use the template, out of the box template, to create a flow in which when you receive an email in the Outlook, its attachment will be saved in OneDrive for Business. So it will become very easy to search the documents. So I'll go to the templates and then I'll search with save attachment. To OneDrive, and then save email attachment from outlook.com to OneDrive for Business. So this we'll use, and then this will try to connect, and now this is connected. If you face any problem, you try to connect again using the connections, add connection, and then the first time it was invalid, then we can use it. So similar to that, you can use OneDrive for Business, and then you can connect it, and then you can create the flow. And that's all. The flow is ready to be used. You see how easy it is in Power Automate to create flows. Now you can see save email attachment from Outlook to OneDrive for Business. A description is there. Tired of searching through your emails for attachment? Store them all in one place for easy access. This will be store attachment you receive in your Outlook. So I'll send one email from my test user 3 to this test user, and then it will be moved. The flow will run. Now the currently flow is not run, so flow will run, and then it will move my document to this my OneDrive. So currently my OneDrive is empty. So let's send one email. So new, and the test email. Now I'll drag and drop the document, and then hi testing in the two. So this is the Outlook email. I'll type in. I'll also send to test user 1. So okay, then I'll send the email. Now the email is sent. Now if I go and check, email is received in junk, so I'll move this to our inbox. Okay, so now this is received. Now I'll go and check our flow. Now it could take like 2 to 3 minutes to run, so we'll wait for it. Test 1 has also received the email which we sent now, so this could take around 2 to 3 minutes. In my, this is currently not there. So once the flow runs, it will create a folder as email attachment in my OneDrive, and then so we'll refresh. It could take 2 to 3 minutes to perform it, so we'll wait for some time. Okay, so it has run 3 minutes ago. Duration is 0.01, succeeded. So a folder should be created. You see the folder is created and the document it's inside it. So it's so easy to create the flow. Now we can edit this flow also, and if you want that in the email attachments document is not saved here, rather it creates folders and then it saves the document so that we can identify who's sent it. So this is in inbox. So in the conditions, create file, in the file, in the slash email attachment, you can type slash, and then you can create the from. Now the folder path, the document will be attached slash email slash from who is the sender, and then document would be saved there. So let's save. So your phrase is ready to go. So now I'll send another email. So this was my test email 2, and then I'll rename this document to 2222, and then I'll attach this. PFA test user one also I'll sent. Now the email is received or not. Okay, so this is not a junk. I've moved it to inbox. Now we can check the flow has run or not. Okay, so flow has not run yet. This is the first time run. This has also received the email. Now it again might take 1 to 2 minutes. Once it runs successfully, it will create the folder inside this email attachment folder with the name I have sent with the test user 3. So slash test user 3 should be there. So let's see. So we'll wait for some time. Okay, so it has run. Now I can go and check. You see this in the email attachment test 3 account is created and then the document is saved inside that. So by using flow, it's very easy to create flow. So we'll create many more flows, the complex one also. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.